Okay. When there's too much of an option, you don't know what to get. I would even reach halfway yet. Yeah, man, everything where you want, people, man, I tell you. You never know, so the man them save all the skin when they clean off of the thigh, when they do the boneless, skinless chicken thigh. They not that shit up, you know? You have everything on the need, you know, man. Larry from SpongeBob, you know. Himself fresh sushi in the same way. So I'll do sweet and sour. Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. And thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef Adrian Morris, and you're watching Morris Time Cooking.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
Just I realized, say normally from November, I come to an end when I typically get the thing that I need for do some baking, some pre-baking so I can start eat cake. This year I don't know what going on, you know, but when I start, I'm going to jump out on the road, go to the supermarket, grab some baking pan, and grab some sugar and egg. I think I have everything. The fruits and them thing, they've been a soak for probably 3-4 years now. So I always have fruits, I just not have like the sugar, them thing there. So I'm gonna jump on the road now. See if I can grab some ingredients and some baking tin for do some baking. So forward. When you come inside, you know them have the fruit section over here. You can get your carrot them right at the front. Get a carrot. So you have all the fruits here. So we're gonna start over on the produce side, then we're gonna go all the way right there. So you have some big guava right here. You know what I say? Some massive guava. You have some pears right here, American style pear. Right? You have the variety is different. You know what I say? You have all of these Asian style fruits, you know. Yeah man, you have a lot of stuff in here. So some fruits you may identify. But one thing I realize when I'm doing these tours, two things I realize when doing these tours. Sometimes it's best when you can plant your own food, or if you produce food, sell, because price you can make a lot of bang for your bucks. You know, some big ass you call them something again. Papaya. Yeah. Everything looks good. Yeah man. Whole heap of thing in here. So I want to get some ginger beer. So I'm going to grab some fresh ginger. I have a lot of different oranges and stuff like that. Yeah. Should have shown the price them to avocado. Yeah, tangerine. Oh, long time I don't eat some tangerine, you know. Get some tangerine. I haven't had tangerine in a while. Yeah. Some mandarin. This place is massive, people. You know what I say? As I say, I can't really speak a lot because the music in the background, but yeah, man, you have so much things in there, so just look, everything what you want there in there, so it's like a mini, what I call it now, Costco. I already have sorrel, but this is fresh sorrel. Should I get some fresh sorrel? I'm not sure, but I need fresh ginger, that's for sure. Everything you want there, man. Everything. You know what I say? Yeah. Tambourine. It's been a while. I'm gonna have some fresh tambourine. The eggplant, Thai eggplant. We used to call them a duppy melon. Crazy. Winter melon. Pumpkin celery. So, Tumalio. You have yeah, man. Look at this. Even the shoot, the banana flour, aka the shoot with that way. Can use to make salad and a bag of thing, you know. Chayote, which we have a lot of videos out on the channel with these. Chocho, aka chayote. I call them chayote squash. You know what I say? I have a lot of videos with them out. So much things here, man. So much. So much. Any variety of fruits and vegetables you want, them got it. You have a bitter melon, same way. Yeah, fresh beans, everything you want. You see me? You know, say you call a chef's dream. I have everything I want, you know? Can't leave out Jamaica, you know? You see me? Jamaica and hot pepper, right? Yeah, man, I have everything in there, people. Zucchini, mini cucumbers, squash. You know what I say? Yellow zucchini, the green zucchini, everything. Right now, I don't know when I go done walk out in. So. More fresh sorrel over here so again. This is crazy. Gourmet mushrooms. That's crazy. Oh, cactus leaf. Can't even. Have like the reduced stuff them at the bottom here. You know what I say? We'll leave a big mango. Ooh. Okay, so they have the honey pomelo. Look at the jackfruit. What the blouse skirt. Oi, it's longer than my hand, you know, man. This is massive. Holy. Holy shit. Look at that. Watch out. Look at this. Whoa, 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 whoa. Holy. This is half the size of my body. These are massive. Huh?
What's that? It's gonna fall.
Oh, a jackfruit. Yeah, a jackfruit. Nice and sweet. This is what it looks like. So it's yeah. So you just
okay.
peel them out and you
Yeah.
just eat them like that.
Oh, okay.
When you
I
let it
see.
ripe first. It's like a banana mango taste in a
Taste.
sense.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I see. Thanks.
You're welcome, you're welcome. Well, that's the best description I could have give. Holy shit, man. Okay, man. Okay. This is massive. Look at this. Ooh. Blood click. No, sir. Oh, God. How much a pound? Hey. 160 a pound. Can't go buy that. That's crazy. This is just the produce section. When I think mommy would do well in a because she get confused easy when she see too much stuff. Are you one of those people? When there's too much of an option, you don't know what to get? Because the option is high in this place. Ooh, planting. Alright now, so we have planting here. I need some planting. As I say, you're gonna hear my voice in and out because all this music that's being played. I get some planting. I need some ripe and I need some green. Two. I'm really in here to get stuff for baking, right? But I have to come here and see if I can. Look at this apples for days, man. I would even reach halfway yet. But they used to call them a monkey banana. But they call it Thai banana. We call it monkey banana back in Jamaica. Look at small banana them. But these are the ones that I have on the channel. The Hawaiian plantain, right? So let me grab a green one again because I told I'm gonna try it out again. Let me grab one that is because in carbide, you know. You know what? I'm gonna grab two green one. Just leave them for right. I grab two green one. And banana are massive. Yeah. And of course them have fruits underneath and them thing there. Mango look nice. It's them pointed mango, yeah. But I don't really like mango, it's too sweet for me, you know? Yeah. So them transport them thing. As I say, man, if you have a farm, you cannot lose if you plant and ship things. Oh, I need ginger, but I don't need this much good ginger. Yes, so I make a little enough less than this. $1 a pound. But I don't need this much though. Can I open it and take out some? This is a whole mango stand right there, so, you know. With different mango. You see what I say? Yeah, medieval style. What? Rest of the aisle, it have whole heap of tomato, breadfruit. Yes, yo, the produce is so much. Remember, I say produce section alone, but there right now, you know. Alright, so I tell you, I see farm 160 a pound for cassava. Have video out on the channel with cassava, by the way. Sweet potato. You know me I say if you want your sweet potato. Prices could $6 a pound. Look how much for pound of yam. $6 a pound for yam. You see me I say if you have a yam farm and you can ship out your thing them overseas, what you say? Money they can produce. When I come in them store, you know what motivate me for do? Start plant my own things, produce my own food. Cause I check $6 a pound for dashing. Dashing we just dash it sometime we use in my backyard. I not talk about the high scale farmer them, you know. Them not dash them, you know. You see what I say? Cocoa, we used to dash for $7 a pound, cocoa there than all the yam. The sweet yam for $7 a pound. Get where I come from? So if you can produce something and send it out on a wide scale, man. And the white yam, you make money. I tell you. All heap of girl you can see. Yo, this is crazy. Cucumbers, okay. Need some ginger, cauliflower. Yeah. Over here, so now. Holy. It's crazy. I need ginger, 190 at a pound. I don't need so much ginger, man. Why could you can't sell? I don't want a Chinese ginger, youth. I don't want them a ginger, yeah, man. I have to go to one other store to get the ginger. Because here, people, this is called one Hana ginger. Because it's bigger than my hand. I don't need a ginger because I find it very strong. You know what I say? Called the loose ginger. I need this type of ginger. But again, I don't think you can open the bag and take it out. Yeah, I don't need that much ginger. So I have all different varieties of squash. You see what I say? A bunch of different squash them out. Crazy. This is the produce section, people. Anything you want. I tell you. You know, over here, so now, I think of the dairy noodles. They have already homemade noodles them. Holy. I thought this was going to be a ride. Thought I would just be in and out, but that's not the case. I want some spring roll wrapper. Anything a spring roll wrapper. Tofu, bag of thing. Need some spring roll wrapper. Oh, sorry. All the sauces and them thing there. Egg them pretty. $15 for a flatter egg. This here the salted duck egg. You see me? The salted duck egg. Yeah, I think they're supposed to have quail egg on them thing. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think they're supposed to have quail egg in it. I'm not sure yet. So they have the quail eggs. $2.99 each. You know, 4 of them are equivalent to like one regular egg, right? So 18. They're very tiny. You know, quail little bird them, right? Yeah. And them one I know are some duck egg again, but these are just regular size. Probably one of these are like 2 regular egg, chicken egg. Yeah. Holy. Onion, potato. I come in them place, man. The hot potato you see produce, me I tell you. Alright, so that's that for the produce section. before me come out, that's I just zoom out again. This is like them tea section. All of them tea bag, but me not too want go through all of this. They have tea from all different places over the world. You see me? Teas from all over. So this is the tea section. You must have come right here so now, olive oils and stuff like that. Now come and say so I have to come back. Oh, snowing outside, man. It's crazy. Alright, so that is it for the produce section. Gonna get alright, so I'm gonna go over the meat section now. I'll leave for onion. Stacks and stacks of red onion, white onion, Spanish onion, you name it. They have all that over here, so. Potato, bag of tea. Alright, now meat. Alright, meat now. So you have goat tripe up there, so. Steaks. Beef flank. Bunch of things. Make them red and pretty. Hopefully, I don't know, food dye. You see me? Beef, honeycomb. All the things you don't think about tonight. Remember I say Asian and dash and nothing, you know. That look like lamb bone. Lamb backbone. Haggis. You know, so everything, man. You know, dash and nothing. Everything I sell. Everything is being sold. Holy, some beef strip sirloin. Beef sirloin tip, but I do nice roast for the Christmas too, you know. Yeah, man, everything where you want, people. Man, I tell you, chicken foot, the whole 9 yards, everything you order. Oh, some beef rib, how much? $33. Feel like I order some of this, you know. Shaja. Coming at someone hungry. Stir fry beef said we know they stir fry, you know. Yeah. Pork foot, or pork feet, chicken liver, and heart. So chicken heart. They have everything, man. You get chicken skin. Yeah, people them serious, daddy. Chicken bone. Okay, man, that's nothing, you know. All the chicken, I know say that a chicken back, yes. And chicken back look good though. I'm mad up some curry chicken back. $1.99. Chicken back cheap though. Chicken back look meaty. Could I use this mad up some sitting there, you know. Some curry, you know. $1.99 a pound or $1.99 for all of this. Must I go hold this and run off some curry chicken back though. Yeah, man. I run some curry chicken back, but them man are real serious people. Are the skin. But the man them so I must feed dog this. The man them sell all the skin in daddy. No man. This a part of them take off our breast. The man no waste nothing. Chicken skin. No sir. I know about chicken foot or chicken feet. You never know, so the man them save all the skin when they clean off of the thigh when they do the boneless, skinless chicken thigh. They not that shit in there. No ramp with them man. Pork hack. What kind of chicken this? Just half a chicken? Okay. Is it half a chicken or a whole of chicken? Oh, it's a whole chicken. It's a whole chicken, never sell this. Is this regular chicken?
Yeah.
Okay. For soup chicken, you have turkey drumstick. Woo! Turkey leg are big. Shall look for my thing. You know, if I'm gonna allow me for record out more enough people, but this is how I get so far phone. No? You know, so I normally, so you take off the skin off of this now, then they sell it, so you probably can give it to your dog, and then take off all of them things. But yeah, they now waste nothing, man. And so I normally come to get the saltfish or salt mackerel over there, so. You know, saltfish, salt mackerel. Yeah. When I come in here, so I normally get the chicken, the box of chicken. I normally buy like 2 boxes of chicken quarter. It's a reasonable, like $53 for it. And get 2 boxes, and we just clean them up, and that serve for 2 months. Saltfish them pretty too. When I come and my eyes up, my thing. Whole heap of sauces and stuff. But before I go there, say, yo, yeah. Place massive. I don't know if I can finish record the whole line today. I think I go over this and I go show you the other places them. What you call it? I show you the meat section. Because if you go through the rest of stuff them, all it. I have the meat, goat meat and thing. Man, them a clean up them thing over there, so butcher shop. Can say a fresh meat coming in. You know what I say? Fresh meat, butcher shop. Yeah. Yeah, I don't want to show up too much of them things still, but good. So them do cut it fresh here, you can get it frozen halal style. So them have them warehouse back there, them do them thing. Over here, so now when you come, if you want like your pre-cooked, your roast, you know, your roast turkey leg, turkey neck, or your smoke, you know, if you want your smoked turkey and all of them things, the bacon, everything. You have the herring and everything, the right, so you know, yeah. Anything you want, I tell you, it's just to have every single thing. If you want to make some, you call it something there. You have the anchovies. If you want to make your Caesar salad, they have a dry anchovies fish. Yeah, see there? Dried anchovies. They have everything in there, man. You have your smoked turkey, big old smoked turkey, salt mackerel. Boy, I could have, I'm not going to do it for showing everything. Dried shrimp, everything them man have. Everything. And then they have one frozen section, I think, over there, so they sell the halal. So halal means you don't have no bloody night, they drain out everything. So you tell them to sell all bone and everything, lamb feet, everything. Everything, people. Everything where you want. So they have balls. You see me I say? Everything where you want, man. The halal beef short ribs. These are that nice right now, you know. What are that I come for? Everything where you want, man. Then of course, if your Christmas are for them have your man. Yo, them have everything. Frozen section, eh? Frozen section. It's crazy. Alright, before me show the frozen section, before then, if you I'm gonna tell them for the record no more, you know. I'm going at the seafood house. They have all of the live stuff them, you know. So they have them fresh meat halal, so if you don't like nothing with bloody night, they cater for everybody, you know. Yeah. Come here, so and get your frozen stuff, cow foot and a bag of tea. You know? Alright. You know, so now, at the spot, we have a frozen section and a frozen fridge. But you can also come here, so, and pick out what you want. Your clam, mussel, your crab, your live lobster. You see what I say? Larry from SpongeBob, you know? All it more than normally have, man. So you come in and say you just pick out your thing them nice and fresh, you see me? Yeah. Holy. So you have a whole heap of fish there in a tank. So you have a fish there in a tank, fresh fish. Yeah. Oh, sorry. You have a catfish. sardine. You have red snapper. Fresh red snapper, $9 a pound. Okay, so the fresh red. Yellow tail. Okay. Only $9 a pound. Thing are pretty. Holy. Fresh skate wing. You have everything on the need in there, man. Everything. Salmon head, shrimp, everything. Man, I have everything, man. And then on there, say, no, they have more fresh fish in a tank, yeah. So anything you want, and just take it out here, you know. Yeah. I'm going to go on about my business, same I can show you. In frozen section, over here saw them dairy section, which is not much to see really. Cause I don't know about to now for the regular day, but I'm just sure the meat kind of things on that I want normally. They have everything, man. You see me? Everything them people have. And they have their own bakery on site to them bake them thing. Baked in stores. You see me? Shrimp chips. And then bake them thing in stores. Yeah man, them I think most of them stuff them bake in stores. $1. Yeah man, most of them things them do. In stores them bake them. Now I gotta lie to the people, I'm there so I'm hungry. Ooh, banana bread this. Banana cake. Yo, man, I stick to the mission here, man. But yeah, see there? The supermarket have everything where you need, people, man. I tell you. Wait till I go in at the mega. I show you the frozen section, they have everything. As I say, them bake them own stuff in-house, see there? This are them bakery. That are them seafood. That are them halal. Frozen section, the meat section, and I'm sure the produce. The produce section already. See it there? Yeah man, they make they have a deli section, they make them sandwiches, assorted fruit tarts. I'm sure I buy one of these. Boy, I don't need a bag of sweetness here, man. People them have everything where you want, man. Have them bakery or sushi. Them sell fresh sushi in the same way. You know, so Jamie loves sushi though. I should I get some sushi, but I think my mother ever eat sushi yet, you know. Spicy salmon roll. I buy some sushi and carry. I think mommy ever eat sushi before. Mango avocado sushi. Spicy avocado. Tempura shrimp. Spicy red tuna. Alright, I buy 2 things of sushi. So see it there? They make the sushi fresh food, no? Fresh sushi every day. Yeah. Them have meat, man. I buy 2 of this. Tempura shrimp. Where tempura shrimp? I get one of the tempura shrimp. But yeah, if you want food, you sell food in the same way, you know? It's a deep fried tilapia. Spring roll. Probably I don't know because late it I get late. But yeah. So they have the yeah man. They sell them food in a avoid touching the people and thing. Okay, everything look good. Fried rice look good. Yeah. And the price not bad, you know. Oh, yeah, barbecue pork ribs, sweet and sour pork. How much bag of pork business?
Yeah, I understand. So, I think I'll change my mind and I'll just get another order of chicken. Chicken? Yeah, I'm gonna get a large order.
Yeah, I don't know. I go and look around first. I don't want to go order nothing. Where them have everything, man. They have a boba tea area. They have a seating area over there so you can go sit down. Customer service, yo. So they say it's like a mini Walmart. But I think they lock off due to the COVID restriction from them time. But you have a seating area over there, so. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna buy something to eat and I come back over the hot food, boba tea, hot food. Yeah. Yeah, people, so. So I'm coming from a container for baking, you know. So this one more for the cake. I feel like I'm not going to bake no round cake. I just put them in them something, yeah? Man, them have everything, man. They come in and say island soda. Everything them have for them, man. Can't walk out the whole of this place, sir. I try walk out the whole place, but I think, you know what? I'm going to grab my cat. I walk it out phone here. I walk it out, showing you so them have. So I come for container, I get the container. I want egg. No, I get egg somewhere else for you. So I have one section you need the fruits. If you're gonna make a fruit cake, you can come in and go and get the dried fruits and everything. But as I say, I always have those stuff on hand, so I don't really need them. Oh man, cake rusk. Right? Cake rusk, Jamir love this. Jamir love this, especially when I have tea, so I've got to get on cake rusk. Yes, Jamir loving cake rusk, man. If you never had this before, when you're having a tea, you can eat some cake rusk with the tea, isn't it? I'll get that. I'll put back that big sushi here and get something smaller. And yeah, this is the frozen section I don't really care much about. I don't really care for no frozen. But if you do care for frozen stuff, then they have that phone as well. You see me? Yeah. The waffle ice cream, them everything. And then should I get one grape nut ice cream. I don't want too much things here, man. Come out type people in place. Oh yeah. Get one different one. Get something different. Out the sauce. Have everything where you want, man. Everything where you want. See? Like any nation, I feel like they have something for every nation. I tell you. I have some raw peanut right there, so. $7 no bad. Every nation, anything you want. It's like oil and canned stuff. I'm not gonna go through all of this, but see there. Much oil them have right there, so. Numerous. All of them soups, noodles, rice. Oh, I never shown you the black chicken what them have in there. Them have like a black chicken. I see I can go back with the black chicken there and show you that. Yogurt and thing. In a just like rice and them stuff there. I'm not gonna go too deep into it, you know. Snacks, different snacks from all different walks of life. You have them at the Asian snacks, you know. Yeah, we're not gonna go through all of them things, but yeah. Let's see if we find the black chicken show now. Oh, me this I want sugar, right? So the fruit cake. I like the soft sugar. When I have the soft sugar, it make the cake quick whisk out better. Sugar lumpy though, man. So when I make the fruit cake, I don't like them a sugar. Yeah. It take too long for cream. You see what I say? When you cream the sugar and the butter. Oh, I need butter too. So I get 2 packs of sugar. Butter. Then go back in the fridge over there. So. And then the egg. Can't get the egg elsewhere. But there's something I wanted to show you. So I have crab legs, everything, frozen crab legs. You know, I want to show you the black chicken, mussel, clam, squid, everything. Then sell all them, they call them something. House products, everything, man. I want to show you the black chicken. Where is the black chicken? Banana leaf, if you want frozen, see that? Frozen banana leaf, them have it. I want to find that black chicken. I want to find that black chicken. Where black chicken there? It ain't there. I can't find it. So there should be a black chicken in there, man. I nah see that. For sure. No. Where is the black chicken? There might be a fish. Alright, so fish there right there, so. Oh, see spring roll wrapper there, man. I want a spring roll wrapper. Egg roll wraps. I try the egg roll wrap because the egg roll wrap thicker. Try the egg roll wrap. Oh, I think alright, that's the chicken there. The black chicken. Oh, they probably not have none today. Yeah, they don't have any. No, they have a black chicken one. my section this, Well, the whole place is my place still, but see it there? You have pots, pans. Teas, herbs, spices, everything you want, man. Yeah, man, I go just go cash out now. African Beauty pound. Okay. Walker's Jerkwood seasoning there for the restaurant, then, eh? $60 after tax, probably. Curry powder, the jerk season, Walker's would open at the people and place too. Yes, I'm more of a bulk buying. If you want things in a bulk for restaurant and them thing. Okay. I'm going to cash out now with the people. So see ya, after I come and so back to the produce area which we came in, now I'm going to bring you through them toiletries and them thing there, Them have but them sell like Lotto and them sit here and see them so. Aki. Want a can of Aki. Come on, make a video. I like that. Feel hungry, I'm just grab something to eat from them place. So I have them kitchen run about this, so I don't do them thing. Fried rice look good, Come on, the fried rice look good. That mother eat some of the fried rice with some broccoli and sweet and sour chicken. Hello. Yeah, for the sweet and sour chicken, what does it come with?
Sour chicken?
Yeah, what does it come with?
Okay, you can make a combo.
Okay.
Like this size.
Well, what about that size?
That size just for one item myself.
Oh, one item? Okay.
One piece myself.
So one choice of meat or vegetable fried rice or noodles.
Meat, okay?
Okay.
You want shrimp for sure, right? Shrimp.
Yep. But for the shrimp, can I put the shrimp on the side? Because I'm allergic. You have foil?
I only can put in a paper bag.
Yeah, that's fine.
I'll think about some more items.
Yeah.
You get free soup, you want soup?
What soup do you have?
Hot and sour or extra, again.
Hot and sour. What makes it sour?
All veggie with egg. Like the tofu, like this. This is the hot and sour. This is the egg drop.
Okay. I'll try this one then. Yep. Alright, people, so like that. Get some food. Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, thank you. Oh, fork and stuff here. Is it paper towel? No paper towel? That's it. We just need butter and egg, people. But I'm going to head out right now. I'm going to cash out. I'm going to go outside. I'm log back in, show now where I go on. But yeah, I'm tired by just walking around. I swear to you. So I could just cash out now. So over there, so them sell the Jamaican cheese, and if you want to buy a lot of them things. So we're going to cash out right now. Hello. Back. Now I left the chicken back. So I just need egg and butter now. Get the sushi. Put the sushi in a bag for Jamir.
Thank you.
Alright. Alright, thank you. Have a good one. Just got back in, but apparently mommy eat sushi already when she got America. Bossy girl, so now I go record that. So yes, so me get there a while ago. Get some sweet and sour, some maho chicken and some spicy and regular noodles. Yeah. And then give a free soup, them say. And yeah, that I it. As I say, I'm not gonna really do a record night because mommy try we call it sushi already in America, you see. And that store I tell you about, it's like a mini Costco with every little thing you want, the food court, the bakery, the meat, the fish place, everything. But you don't pay a fee. You see what I say? Yeah man, in our area that's one of the biggest grocery store where you can find a little bit of everything. The only thing I realize that's not in there is like clothing, like a Costco that come with a little bit of clothing item. That's the only thing. But the part you can go and get your fresh seafood, you can get your halal meat, everything, them have it. You see me? But like go there and grab stuff, and any farm of meat kind you want, any farm of fruit, some tropical fruits, some exotic fruit, them got them down there, you see me? And vegetables. So big up on yourself, enough love for watching. And when we say that place the name again. Yeah, we're then Ajax or Pickering. It's in Ajax / Pickering. They call it Blue Sky supermarket. So if you want to go check it out, check them out there. So this is not sponsored in any way. Sometimes I go them want certain exotic stuff, and that's where I get them. So once again, thank you very much for watching. So until next time, safe travel upon the gravel. Go and big up on yourself.